guys, DejaFitBeauty here, and today has to be like my favorite day of the month because today I got my keto crate, so I get to show you guys all the yummy goodies that I got. So first of all, let me say this right now, don't mind my nail. My nail came off, so if you see it, just yeah. Anyways guys, if you don't know what Keto Crate is, Keto Crate is a monthly subscription that sends you keto snacks right to your door every single month. Every month you get new snacks, so you get to try a bunch of a bunch of different snacks, you know, without the hassle of looking for them and trying to order them yourself. They just send you a batch of brand new keto snacks every single month. All of these snacks have been curated to support your keto diet, and they're not going to keep you out of ketosis, and all of them have at least a minimum. All of these snacks have no more than 5 carbs per serving. So if you want to get in on Keto Crate, you can actually use my discount DejaFitBeauty, and you get $10 off of your first box. Okay, so the actual price for the Keto Crate is $39.99. You get it for $29.99 on your first box. So go ahead and sign up. The link is in the description. First thing we got, it looks like, is a pancake mix of a company called Good Deeds. I have used products from Good Deeds before. What was it? Oh, I got it actually in a Keto Crate. It was a cookie mix. It was a butter pecan cookie, keto cookie mix, and it was so good. So I can't wait to try these. It looks like this is made from coconut flour for the most part. It says it's 2 net carbs per serving, and 1 serving is pretty much 2 pancakes. So I don't know how big these pancakes are gonna be, but hey, 2 carbs. You can actually fit in about 4 pancakes if you wanted to. These are called protein puffs. Protein puffs, brick oven pizza flavored. So this is like pizza flavored puffs. Wow. And it says it only has 2 grams of net carbs per serving. It says no eggs, soy, peanuts, or tree nuts, no artificial flavors, no colors from artificial sources. Ooh, so this looks like a cookie, like a keto cookie, and it feels rather soft. It feels like soft, not like a hard cookie. This is the cookie department keto fully functional cookies. This flavor is called Cakewalk, birthday cake and sprinkles. It says keto friendly, no artificial ingredients, palm oil free, macro friendly, and non-GMO, low glycemic. 3 grams of net carbs in the whole cookie. So it's 17 grams of carbs, you got 5 grams of fiber, and 9 grams of sugar alcohols for a total of 3 net carbs in the entire cookie. So nice little treat. These are Pizoots flavor infused artisan peanuts, and this is sea salt and vinegar flavored peanuts. 10 grams of protein. It looks like it has about 3 grams of carbs. 3 grams of carbs per 1 ounce. I'm assuming this package feel like it's more than 1 ounce though. Ooh, so we have a keto bar, chocolate raspberry keto bar from Hika Good Foods or something like that. 2 grams of net carbs per package, it looks like. So this is high calorie, 210 calories in this 1 bar. It has almonds, allulose, tapioca fiber, whey protein, cocoa, erythritol, natural flavors, dry raspberries. Pretty much, it seems like there's a lot of almonds in here, a crap ton of almonds. So that explains the high fat content. So I'm looking forward to trying this though. It feels really soft. This is beef jerky. 0 sugar. It's really hard to find 0 sugar beef jerky. Most beef jerkies have a crap ton of sugar. I actually want to try this, and let's see how that tastes. Okay, because 0 sugar. It is a little bit harder than usual, I feel like, but the flavor is actually pretty good. But it is a little harder than your normal beef jerky. Maybe that's from not having sugar in it, I'm not sure. But the flavor is actually really good. But the ingredients is like literally beef, water, and seasoning. There's nothing else. There's no preservatives, no nothing. It's just beef, water, and seasoning. So Maybe this is how beef jerky is supposed to taste before you add all the preservatives and all that stuff in it. But the flavor is actually really good though. So it looks like this is a keto protein shake or something, a meal replacement. So it has 75% fat, 20% protein, 5% carbs, which are the keto macros. This is white chocolate coconut flavored. It has MCT oils in here from a company called Zone Perfect. I think I've seen this brand before. In this bottle, it has 200 calories and 3 grams of carbs. This is another meat product. So typically the Keto Crate usually has like 1 or 2 meat products. That's it. Most of the other products, as you can see, are like baked goods, protein bars, things like that. So if you're not a big meat person, it's fine. You know, it's only like literally 2. But you know, their meat products are usually really good though. This is called Rome Sticks. This look like it's made from pork, made with pasture-raised heritage pork. It doesn't really have the ingredients or anything on here, so I can't tell you that. But I mean, it's a meat stick. I do enjoy a meat stick every now and then. Just saying. Full disclosure, guys, I already ate this product because I just really wanted to try it. But this is instant pudding, keto instant pudding. Okay, so pretty much I just mixed it with some almond milk, and it came out to like a really nice pudding consistency. And it tastes really good actually. Definitely is a treat. It's definitely not something I'm gonna eat every day, but it's nice. It was a nice little keto sweet treat to fulfill those sugar cravings. So this is probably gonna be my favorite item out of the whole box. Because I used to eat the sugar-free Jello, pudding packets, but that has maltodextrin in it, so I stopped eating it and I miss it. But this actually tastes pretty good. And if you want like that more of a creamier texture, you could actually mix this with heavy whipping cream, but it'll make it a lot more fattier, but it'll be more, I feel like it'll be more creamier. Because when I used to eat the Jello, the sugar-free Jello pudding, I used to mix it with heavy whipping cream, and it used to come out almost as a frosting consistency. It's no sugar, but like I said, it has maltodextrin, so if you are sensitive to those type of things, it'll stall you. This is the last product that I'm going to be showing you. My nail is really getting on my nerves, y'all. Please don't talk about me in the comments. I'm going to go get it fixed. But this is the last product in the Keto Crate. This is a pumpkin seed kale, look like some sort of like trail mix type of thing. It has pumpkin seeds, kale, pretty much that's the main ingredients, pumpkin seed and kale. Alright guys, that concludes this month's unboxing of the Keto Crate. So like I said, if you are keto and you really want some really good keto snacks that won't kick you out of ketosis, that won't, you know, interfere with your diet, I highly suggest you get Keto Crate. It's very, very worth it, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but keto products cost a lot of money. That's because, you know, get stuff that is sweetened with stevia and allulose and erythritol, those things get really, really expensive, and MCT oil. So getting like a keto product, like if you would have bought like a keto bar by itself, this bar probably like $3, you know, just alone. So, you know, having the ease of just having it delivered right to your door every month is perfect. So if you want to use my discount, it is DejaFitBeauty. You get $10 off of your first box, guys. Can't beat that. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the description if you also got the Keto Crate and what product you like the best, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.